Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today is VEDA number 19, and I am really excited to bring this video to you today. I am doing a little bit of gardening, but not exactly what you think. I do try to do some gardening outdoors, but I haven't gotten my things together outside yet. But I do a lot of gardening actually on my countertop. So I'm going to share that with you guys today. Have you ever grown microgreens before? Or have you ever grown sprouts before? Well, if you haven't, I'm going to show you a little bit of how I do microgreens and a new set of kits that I got that in the future I'm going to use. So let's take a look into microgreens. All right, I'm going to switch my camera. I'll be right back. So I am back. And what I have here is a set of 6 different microgreen kits. And I purchased these actually online, and I got them because I wanted to try more than one variety. So what we have here are arugula, sunflower, radish, mustard, pea shoots, and then a nice salad mix. Now, this salad mix is really interesting because it has broccoli, cabbage, arugula, kale, and kohlrabi all mixed together. So all of those seeds are mixed together. And as you see here, it actually comes in its own container, and everything is complete except for the water to grow your own microgreens. Now, this is not the set that I'm going to grow today, so I will bring this back at a later time when I'm ready to grow these so that I can show them to you. All right. Okay, so I'm going to move these out the way, and I'm going to show you the one that we're actually going to demonstrate today. Okay, so now I am back, and this is the container. It's a tray, and if you look at the tray, it has lines in it that are raised up so that the mat that we're using is not sitting deep in the water. And that's important because you want your seeds to get water, but you don't want them to soak. All right. So yeah, now this one was made by Hamama, and it's really, really good. And I have made these before, so I feel really comfortable showing this to you guys today. All right, so let me get my seed packs. Okay, so the seed packs come like this. They're very nicely wrapped in kind of like a wax paper type of envelope. And they're usually just one full mat with the seed packets. I actually cut mine, and I'm doing half and half so that I can get a nice variety rather than just one set of seeds for the whole thing. All right, so let's take a look and see what I have. Okay, so I have hot wasabi mustard, and I have a zesty mix seed quilt. All of these taste really good, guys. Okay, so let's take a look and see what they look like. Okay, so what you get is a very nice mat here, which is, it's like a cocoa core mat. All right, which is really nice, and it holds on to water for you so that your seeds get what they need. And then the seed pack is made very nicely so that it can wick the water from the mat here, and then it maintains moisture because it's kind of like a wax paper type of lining on the top, right? So that's going to hold the moisture in so that the seeds get the water that they need, because that's really all they need at first, is a nice environment that's not too hot or cold, and they need the water. They don't need light or anything like that, okay? And then you germinate your seeds, And then once you germinate them and get the plants to grow, then you provide the light. So the moisture is the most important thing right now. All right. So this one is the Zesty Seed quilt that we'll put right there. And this one is the Hot Wasabi Mustard quilt that we're going to put right here. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to have them just like that. All right, so now the next thing we're going to do is just add water. On here, if you look carefully, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there is a fill line. So they make this really easy for you. You're just going to pour the water in, submerge it, and you are done. All right, so I'm going to just do the fill line first. So let's move that out and let's put the water in. Okay, so let's put the mats in. I'm gonna put them in. I'm just gonna hold them down until I see that they are soaked with the water. Okay, so here you can see I have my mats soaked. The water is all there. And the way these are designed, you're supposed to have plenty of water to get you most of the way through the whole growing process. So you're really not supposed to do anything with water, but we shall see, because I think I did have to add water before. But this is all you do for now. Um, it doesn't really need any light right now. So actually what I do is I cover mine with foil. So let's get some foil and cover it. All right, so it's all set. Let me switch my camera. All right, guys, so what did you think? Yes, we're gonna grow some microgreens and I'm gonna update you each day on how they are growing. All right, so I'm really excited to be able to show this to you, and let me know if you've ever grown either sprouts or microgreens on your countertop. I'd love to hear your experience, and if so, what did you try? What did you grow? All right. All right, so now let's go ahead and show you guys the solutions for yesterday's puzzle. Okay, so this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. So yes, I'm really enjoying the puzzle. I'm also enjoying just being able to show a few other things that I'd like to do, and hope that some of these things either inspire or we can share in doing these things also. All right. So I'm not going to hold you guys today. That's all I have for today. I want each and every one of you guys to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I will see you guys on tomorrow. Bye bye now.